Hello coders, today we are going to do detailed discussion on home health coding. This video topic is suggested by one of our subscribers. I really appreciate that you are commenting on our videos and demanding the topic you interested. Please provide your suggestions or any topic you want that I should cover in next video. Let's start our today's topic. What is home health coding? Home health coding is the application of ICD-10-CM codes to diagnoses, medical services, and procedures related to home-based care. It plays a critical role in documenting and justifying the necessity of home health services provided to patients. Let's see Leela's story to understand home health coding. Meet Leela, a 65-year-old woman who enjoys gardening. One afternoon, while watering her plants, she accidentally slips and falls. Unfortunately, she fractures her leg and is rushed to the hospital. At the hospital, doctors diagnose her with a closed fracture of the femur. She undergoes surgery, followed by a short stay for observation and physical therapy. Once stable, Leela is ready for discharge. However, due to her limited mobility, her physician prescribes home health care to assist her with recovery and rehabilitation at home. A certified home health nurse visits Leela, assessing her condition and ensuring she follows post-surgical care instructions. The care plan includes wound dressing, pain management, and physical therapy sessions. Now, let's take a look at how Leela's case is coded for home health services. Medical coders must assign the correct ICD-10-CM codes for her diagnosis and CPT codes for services provided. Accurate home health coding ensures that services are billed correctly and that Leela receives the right care. Coders must follow CMS guidelines and home health coding conventions to maintain compliance. Leela is on her way to recovery, thanks to proper medical care and accurate coding. Now you understand home health coding is done for home health agencies who provide services like skilled nurses, physical therapist, occupational therapist and speech-language therapist at patient's home. Importance in the US healthcare system. Home health services cater to patients requiring medical care in their homes due to chronic illness, recovery post-hospitalization, or disabilities. Accurate coding ensures compliance with Medicare and Medicaid guidelines for reimbursement. Plays a vital role in patient care planning and outcome tracking. Key aspects of home health coding. Focuses on OASIS Outcome and Assessment Information Set, which is used for patient assessments and reimbursement. Involves coding primary and secondary diagnoses, ensuring they reflect the patient's clinical condition and justify the care provided. Coders must stay updated with guidelines from CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and other regulatory bodies. Workflow and process overview. Coder has to thoroughly review the patient's medical record and translate a patient's medical information and diagnosis into standardized alphanumeric codes like ICD-10-CM. Coder need to review OASIS and RN documents for more clarity on patient's condition and what is the focus of care, which helps to decide the primary diagnosis. Before uploading the chart, coder has to review plan of care and recommend the appropriate changes to clinician. OASIS means Outcome and Assessment Information Set is a standardized data collection tool used in home health care to assess patient needs, track outcomes, and ensure quality of care. It is mandated by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services for all Medicare certified home health agencies. Key importance of OASIS assessments. Determines eligibility for home health services. Drives reimbursement under PDGM. Tracks patient outcomes. Ensures compliance with regulatory standards. Facilitates quality improvement. Supports research and policy making. Generally, two types of software and tools are used in home health coding. Type 1 is home health coding softwares like Access Healthcare, HomeCare Homebase and Kinsa. Coders are using another type of softwares to find the codes like 3M Encoder, Optum 360 Encoder Pro or Find a Code. Who can do medical coding? Bachelors in Healthcares, MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, Bachelors in Life Sciences like Biotechnology, Microbiology or Bachelors in Sciences are eligible for medical coding. To work as a home health coder, one has to complete CPC or BCHHC certifications. Most companies ask for BCHHC, but some project can allow CPC candidate as well. CPC exam is conducted by AAPC and it charged $399 for one attempt and $499 for two attempts. Coder can choose to take the exam online or in person. Coder can purchase study materials or join any online or offline coaching for study. It is an open book exam with 100 marks which has to finish in 4 hours and 70% is the passing criteria. BCHHC is conducted by Wellski. Exam fee is $299. It is also available in both online and offline modes. It also has 100 questions but the time limit is 5 hours. BCHHC certification is valid for 3 years and it is mostly focused on ICD-10-CM. A current ICD-10-CM Home Health and Hospice code book is recommended. Some introductory coding exposure is beneficial. Understanding of medical terms, anatomy and physiology, and home health is also recommended. Good critical thinking and logic skills are important. Career scope and job opportunities. You can just add home health coding jobs on Google and you will find many companies offering jobs for home health coders. A career in home health coding offers good job opportunities and career scope within the growing healthcare industry, with potential for remote work and specialization in areas like OASIS coding. There are so many companies offering jobs for home health coders, few of them I have listed here. Salary trends and growth opportunities. Currently, a fresher candidate with CPC or BCHHC certification can expect salary in between 1.8 lakhs to 3 lakhs. 2-year experience coder is getting 4.2 to 5 lakhs. So we have discussed about what is home health coding. We understood the basics of it with Leela's story and its importance in US healthcare. We also discussed workflow and process overview so that we should know about coders' daily routine. We seen what is OASIS and its importance. Now we know who can do medical coding and we also have idea on CPC and BCHHC certifications. We also discussed career scope, job opportunities, salary trends and growth opportunities. I hope we have discussed all the necessary information on home health coding. If you still have any question, please add comment and also provide us your valuable suggestions to improve our content. Definitely together we learn and grow. Till then, happy coding and thank you.